Hey guys, it is Besties Forever 131. I'm Victoria, Tori out of the group. If the reason why you never really see me is because I'm the one who is filming most of the time. And I'm the basically I'm like the editor, kind of creator of this and stuff. Yeah. And yeah, so I'm just making this video to say Happy Easter / Passover, whatever you celebrate. Happy that yeah, this is kind of like an update video. I'm sorry we haven't been making a lot of videos lately. We've been really busy with school and stuff. We haven't had really time to hang out. I know, it's stupid, but schoolwork. Whoa. I'm sorry, my dog, he's just like, he's adorable. Oh. Alright, well, I guess that's pretty much it. Please subscribe, rate us, comment us. Oh, and thank you for Crazy About Gymnastics or Crazy for Gymnastics for subscribing to us. I have no idea how you found us, like the videos. Thanks you so much for watching that. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it. Bye.